This video mainly introduces some common misunderstandings about bike fit, including the position of the cleat, the importance of hip flexors and the tension reasons in the pedaling process, and the relationship between crankshaft length and cadence. Common misconceptions about bike fit. 1. According to previous videos, we have a basic understanding of bike fit and a basic concept of the riding posture specifications. In this video, we sort out several common misconceptions about bike fit to make us understand it better. Misconception 1. The further forward the cleats are, the better. A popular view in the past was to set the cleats as far forward as possible. Most people believed that this way would create a longer lever, the distance from the ankle joint to the pedals, which would provide greater power. Later, more people believed that setting the cleats further back was more conducive to power generation. However, according to the experience of most riders, setting the cleats according to the first and the fifth metatarsal bone is better than setting the cleats in any forward or back position. It causes fewer other potential problems. Misconception 2. Hip flexors are very important in the pedal-up process. If you are not a contestant, the hip flexors are not important in the pedal-up process. According to Barrett and Martin's research, the negative torque that most people experience during pedaling up is non-mechanical. It is created by the weight of the legs, thereby slowing down the pedaling speed. The hip flexors only allow the legs to be lifted as quickly as possible to avoid hindering the pedal movement. Misconception 3. Hip flexor tension is caused by too much load on the muscles. The hip flexors become tight because the hip joint angle must be kept small during riding, and the hip joint angle can only be opened when riding starts from a standing position. In long-term riding, the hip flexors adapt to the contracted state, so when you finish riding and then stand to rest, the hip flexors are stretched again, which leads to the pain. Misconception 4. The length of the crankshaft determines the pedaling efficiency. The truth is that changing the crankshaft length can change the pedaling efficiency. However, it only works with extremely long and short crankshafts such as 120 mm and 220 mm. Compared with you changing the cadence and shifting to different gears, the influence of the crankshaft length is insignificant. Moreover, most people are unsuitable for such long or short lengths. There is the first part we compiled about bike fit. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to leave a message regarding the bike fit if you have anything to share. We are looking forward to your idea and story.